Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make veg pasta salad. First, let's talk about what you'll need. You'll want about 12 ounces of pasta like rotini or penne and a colorful mix of fresh vegetables. Think crisp bell peppers, juicy cherry tomatoes, and crunchy cucumbers. For the dressing, we'll use a base of good quality olive oil and a touch of vinegar. Having these ingredients ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. Start by boiling your pasta until it's perfectly al dente, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Once cooked, drain it well and rinse with cold water to stop the cooking process. This also helps prevent sticking. While the pasta cools, chop all your chosen vegetables into small, consistent pieces. Uniform sizes ensure every bite is balanced and delicious. The dressing is key to a great pasta salad. In a small bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil with 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar. Add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard for a little tang and 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano for aromatic depth. Finish by seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. This simple dressing brings all the flavors together beautifully. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. In a large bowl, gently combine your cooled pasta and all the colorful chopped vegetables. Pour the dressing over the mixture and toss everything until it's evenly coated. For the best flavor, cover the salad and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Give it a final stir before serving. Also, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.